We like wood, we like very earthy elements, so we like very nature type of things. That's why you see that there's actually a tree in the middle of the house. My name is Bala, I am 39 years old and I work as a civil servant. So our house is a 3-room condo, and the theme of this house is more like a Japandi or a modern Scandi type of design. So it doesn't have too many color elements. It focuses mostly on the neutral color elements. That is also what Das recommended us, because we wanted to be something very clean, very neutral, very easy on the eyes, and that's what we went for. This project took about 2 months and cost about $70,000, and Das did finish it within 2 months. So I think the timeline is something that we wanted to complete, and he did it on time. Whenever we come into the home, we feel very happy because we have seen how the house has evolved from day one, before it was renovated, to after how it was renovated. We feel very happy. As a matter of fact, I think the house looks even better than how it was given in the render. We just moved in, so we have only called our family to the house. We have yet to call our friends to the house. But so far the feedback that we got is that it's really nice. I think they complimented on the curves around the house and also the neutral tone of the house. They actually also said that the house looks way more than what we had spent, which I think is a good that the idea actually helped us in realizing our ideas. So the initial idea is to put a Christmas tree in the middle. Then we realized that Christmas trees only happens during the November and December period, and probably in January. Then the other period of time we are not going to put a Christmas tree because it doesn't make sense. And I think it came out very well because of the neutral tone of the house. And this actually took some time to do because of the curve that you see down here. So I think the contractors had multiple times to come and do the curve. Working with Das has been a wonderful experience, mainly because it's very easy to communicate with him. He is also very adaptable to change because there's a lot of moving parts within these 2 months, so he's very adaptable to change and make things happen. So if we need things to be provided at a very fast time, then he's very prompt in response. My wife was also pregnant at the period of time, so I really needed an extra pair of hands to help me with the reno, and Chandan actually took full ownership of the whole reno process. So he actually helped me a lot and brought me to a lot of places, and I think without him, I don't think I would have finished this in 2 months at the budget that we had. So I think that is something that I really like to thank him for that.